Hello, this is Amina. Welcome to HW News English. The BJP's strength has fallen to 87 in the Rajya Sabha. Now, this comes after 4 nominated members completed their term. These 4 members, Rakesh Sinha, Ram Shakal, Sonal Mansingh, were appointed by President Murmu, and afterwards they had allied with the BJP. Now, BJP's strength in the upper house is 86. However, NDA's count is 101. Now, this strength is below the current majority mark. The majority mark is 113 in the 245 member house. The current strength of Rajya Sabha is 225. The India bloc has 87 members in the Rajya Sabha, out of which Congress has 26 MPs, TMC has 13 and AAP and DMK have 10 members each. The rest of the seats are held by non-aligned parties, nominated MPs and independent MPs. Now, as the BJP has been reduced to lesser seats, it means that it is now reliant on the non-NDA parties or its ex-allies. Now, BJP will need support of its former allies to pass bills in the upper house. Jagan Mohan's YSRCP, which has 11 MPs in Rajya Sabha, and AIADMK, which has 4 MPs, are BJP's 2 most obvious allies. Even though AIADMK's relations with the BJP have been fractious since their split, Jagan Mohan Reddy's YSRCP has most of the time shown their support to the BJP. So, we can assume that BJP could get these 11 MPs support in Rajya Sabha. Now, when we talk about Naveen Patnaik's BJD, then they had also lent support to the BJP. However, after their recent loss to the BJP in the assembly polls, the party has said that they will not support the BJP from now on. BJD has total 9 MPs in Rajya Sabha. Now, if AIADMK and BJD don't support BJP, then BJP will then need support from the nominated members. There are 12 nominated members in the Rajya Sabha. At present, there are 20 vacant seats in Rajya Sabha, out of which 11 seats for which polls are expected this year. 2 seats are from Maharashtra, Assam and Bihar. 1 seat each from Haryana, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Telangana and Tripura. If BJP wins 7 seats from Assam, Bihar, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh and Tripura, which are BJP's stronghold states, and 2 seats from Maharashtra, then it could give BJP 9 extra seats. With these 9 seats and with support of independent MPs and YSRCP MPs, BJP will have enough seats to cross the majority mark of 113 seats. Well, that's all for this news report. Till then, keep watching HW News English and download our app News Shorts to get the latest news and updates. Stay ahead with our cutting-edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.